Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP-970, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi. Firstly, you should open Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and find Network Settings. Here, scroll down again. Choose here the first item, Wi-Fi. And here we have two methods, so Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct. I recommend you use the Wi-Fi mode. Click Start Setup, and here we have two options. So normal Wi-Fi setup wizard or VPS. So you can press on VPS button on your Wi-Fi router if you have an access to the Wi-Fi router, but if you don't, so you can click Wi-Fi setup wizard. So click on it and choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Wait while my printer searching for networks, and of course this is the new generation of printers, and this printer supports 5G networks, so 5 GHz Wi-Fi's. So cool. Here we can provide the password. So here, for example, we have numbers. Here we have uppercase letters, and signs you have here too. Click OK, and cool, that's it. Click Start Setup and wait a while. Cool, setup complete. Thanks for watching and bye.